You guys must have watched these kind of orange cat TikToks all over the internet, right? And in the comment section of these TikTok, I saw lots of people asking like how to create those. So that's exactly I'll be showing today in this video. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. All right, guys. So first of all, for creating these kind of orange cats TikTok, the first step is you need to go ahead and create your images, right? So for that, we're gonna go ahead and use our Krea AI. I'm gonna jump into the homepage of Krea AI, go to this Flux High Generation Quality option, and from here, the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and choose our aspect ratio, which is gonna be either 9:16 or I prefer go for 2:3, right? Because that's gonna fit perfectly for our TikTok videos, right? So from here, what we have to do is we need to go ahead and create our images, but before that, we need prompts for our images, right? So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into ChatGPT, and I basically provided this screenshot to ChatGPT and said, describe me the cat image as a prompt so that I can create it in any AI image generator. ChatGPT basically provide me the whole description, the whole appearance of the cat. And from here, what I can do is I can go ahead and simply add another prompt to ChatGPT, like now keep these details and appearance as it is and provide me series of prompts to create a short story about like cat fishing, then going to supermarket, buying vegetables, getting vegetables. Because as you guys know, if you have watched these kind of TikToks, there's a certain algorithm to these kind of TikToks, right? So there's a story. So I basically followed that story, and now ChatGPT has provided me the series of prompts where the appearance is same, but in every prompt the cat is doing some action, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy this every prompt one by one, come into Krea AI and paste it right over here, right? So yeah, as you guys can see, now I've got all those series of prompts where first of all the cat is fishing, it's riding the bicycle, it's going to supermarket. So yeah, you basically need to go ahead and play around with the prompts to get the perfect outputs, you guys, right? So from here, after my outputs are completed, so I'm going to go ahead and download the best outputs that I like the most. All right, so my outputs are done, as you guys can see. So these are just the images, right? So from here, our next step number 2 is we need to go ahead and animate these images, right? So for that, we have to use any AI video generator. So the best option for me is Halo AI. So right now, if you sign up in Halo AI with your fresh account, so you'll get unlimited credits for at least 2-3 days. So that's exactly what I did. So in Halo AI, I'm going to go ahead and jump to this image to video generation. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and input all of my images one by one right over here. And in the prompt box, we just need to go ahead and, just specify the action that cat is doing. Like first of all, in this one, I have said cat eating. And for that, Halo AI provided me with this output. Yeah. So then we have all the series of prompts that I input along with the images. So this one is cat cooking. And the next one we have is cat cooking, another version of that as well. And then we have this cat cutting vegetable. And then we need to go ahead and do the same for the rest of all of our videos just like that. Right. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and download all of these videos one by one. All right. So as you guys can see right over here, all of my videos are done as well. So from here, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and compile all of these videos. So for that, you can obviously go ahead and do that in TikTok itself. But I prefer, editing them first and then uploading it to TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead and use Filmora for that. Upload all of my images, just simply drag them into my timeline and just simply after that, import the music right over here, right? So I basically copy the music from TikTok itself. And then after that, this is what your timeline is going to look like. And from here, we need to go ahead and select export and make sure that the file you're exporting is in 9:16 portrait ratio, you guys, right? All right, so after export is done, so this is how our final output is going to look like. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to create orange cat TikTok videos, exactly like you see in TikTok. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you do, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.